Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my dollhouse. This is the final segment in my Charlie's Cozy Cottage series. Next week I'll be starting a new project and I can't wait to share that with you. Last week I showed you how I furnished and decorated my retro bohemian style living room. Today we're heading into the kitchen to create a nostalgic trip back to the 70s. Now I did wallpaper over the window on that back wall to make more room for cabinets. I covered it with black cardstock so it's not noticeable from the outside. I cut a hole for a French door to let in some light. All of my kitchen minis are stored in these two containers. First, here are my kitchen cabinets. These are from Elf Miniatures and they sell fully built kitchens as well as kits. It's covered in orange and wood grain contact paper. The doors don't open. Next is the refrigerator, also from Elf Miniatures. The doors don't open, but it looks very realistic. Here's another cabinet piece. This is a kitchen shelf that I got from Etsy. This is a range, also from Elf Miniatures. These are pieces of cardstock that I covered in the orange contact paper for the Backsplash. These adorable little brooms are from Etsy. Now for the next box. These are some rugs that I won't be using. I only have space for these smaller ones. Most of these accessories are from various sellers on Etsy. This container has the kitchen table and chairs. The first thing I put up in the room is the Backsplash. Then I added the cabinets and appliances. Now I'm adding accessories to the kitchen shelf. Here's how the shelf looks in the kitchen. I've added a trio of copper molds above the doorway. Every kitchen I remember seeing as a kid had a set of these. On the wall next to the fridge, there are 2 mushroom plaques. Here are 2 magnets on the fridge. And now it's time to decorate the counters. How many of you grew up drinking spiced tea made with tang? Here's the kitchen table with all the accessories added. If you grew up in the 70s, I know you've seen these Merry Mushroom placemats. I hope you enjoyed this build as much as I did. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video, and be sure to subscribe so you can follow along with me on the next project. Thanks for watching.